Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you 3 different ways to activate the Google Assistant. So firstly, let's begin with this app, and it will be useful if you've got the gestures navigation bar, and all you have to do then is simply tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the info that our Google Assistant is ready to help you get things done. So all you have to do is simply tap on turn on. I will leave it like this. And the second way to activate the Google Assistant, if you've got the 3 buttons navigation bar, is to just tap on this home button and hold it. And as you can see here, we've got the same info, so all we have to do in order to activate that is to tap on turn on. And as you can see, the Google Assistant simply appears and it is ready to help us. What's more, we've got another option to turn on the Google Assistant, and let's say it is a little bit longer and manual. So if you cannot find this app and for some reason the home button doesn't work, then you will have to open the Google, just tap on it. Here we have to enter more. Now let's tap on the settings right here and tap on Google Assistant. Now we have to scroll down in order to find general, which should be somewhere here. Okay, it is here. So just tap on general, and as you can see here, we've got our Google Assistant option, and if it will be turned off, all you have to do is simply tap on this switcher and tap on turn on, and from this moment this Google Assistant is turned on and activated, so you will be able to use it freely. So actually that's all. This is how to activate Google Assistant in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.